Imagine owning a 30 by 50 plot of land, a blank canvas of your dream home. You envision a spacious, luxurious space, but can you truly achieve that on such a limited canvas? The answer is a resounding yes. With careful planning, smart design, even the smallest plots can transform into extraordinary living spaces. Today, we will explore how to maximize your building plot and introduce you to an exciting off-plan project in Kibiko, Ngong that redefines space maximization. Picture Kibiko, Ngong, a tranquil, rapidly developing area with breathtaking views of the Ngong Hills. Here, a visionary project is underway on a 30 by 50 plot to construct a modern 3-bedroom all-ensuite Maisonette with a servant's quarter, terrace, and a garden. This project, priced at 14.5 million Kenya shillings in cash or 14.8 million Kenya shillings for mortgage option, exemplifies how strategic planning can unlock the full potential of a small plot. We at Veewave Enterprises are proud to be part of this journey as marketing partners, connecting clients to this exciting opportunity and offering professional supervision for those who purchase the homes, whether they are abroad or tied up with other commitments locally. Here is what makes this project stand out. Number one, efficient layouts for spacious living. The ground floor features an open plan living and dining area, creating a sense of openness and maximizing space. The kitchen is well appointed and modern, perfect for family gatherings. 2. Vertical expansion. The project utilizes vertical space by placing all 3 bedrooms on the upper floor. Each room is ensuite, providing privacy and comfort, while the master bedroom boasts extra storage and stunning views. And finally, number 3, added lifestyle touches. The terrace offers a serene spot to relax and enjoy the surrounding scenery. Despite the plot size, there is still room for a beautiful garden, ideal for family time or even a small vegetable patch. At Veewave Enterprises, we specialize in comprehensive construction management services. Whether you are building a home or investing in an off-plan project, we ensure your vision becomes a reality while staying on budget and on schedule. Here is what we bring to the table. Number 1, professional connections. We link you with experienced service providers and reputable suppliers. 2, on-site supervision. If you are abroad or busy, we handle supervision and provide regular updates, keeping you involved in your project. And finally, number 3, tailored solutions. We understand your needs and dreams, ensuring your home is built to perfection. Most of our clients are Kenyans in the diaspora, but we welcome clients from all walks of life. No matter where you are, we can help make your dream home a reality. If you're wondering how to replicate the success of this project, here are 3 key tips. Number 1, plan smartly. Efficient layouts and vertical design can maximize space on small plots. 2, partner with experts. Engage professionals to design, build, and supervise your project. And finally, number 3, focus on lifestyle additions. Features like terraces and gardens add value and functionality even in limited spaces. The Kibiko Maisonette is a perfect example of how you can achieve a spacious, luxurious home on a small plot. If you are interested in this off-plan project or need guidance for your construction journey, reach out to us at Veewave Enterprises. We are here to connect you with professional service providers, supervise your project, and help you achieve your dream home effortlessly. Before you go, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with someone planning to build or invest. At Veewave Enterprises, we believe every plot has endless potential. You just need the right team to unlock it.